Marinad Buhay.
All right, let's call it a day.
Wait for me, I'm almost done here.
We're expected.
Yes, recognized. Gate opening now, sir. Proceed to the docks.
Watch the left, shoot! Clear over here, keep it coming.
Everything seems to be in order, sir. The count matches the manifest here.
Good.
Ensure the quality check is thorough.
Look at the bottleneck here. That forklift movement is inefficient. Update the procedure immediately, Sanjay.
Diverter chute engaged. Flow split confirmed on lines 1, 2, and 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining optimal throughput.
If you look here on the tablet, sir, the efficiency metrics have stabilized after the recent upgrades.
Status report on Silo 3.
Pressure looks good. Ready for the next shipment.
Rework the parameters for the mechanical peeling section. We're losing efficiency.
Right away, Overseer. Updating the controls.
Keep coming back, you're clear on this side. All right, hold it, that's good.
Increase the pressure slightly on rollers 3 and 4.
Adjusting now. The skin separation rate should improve.
Clear. Receiving!
Increasing the flow rate now. Check the pressure on gauge 3.
Yeah.
Looks good from here, holding steady.
Secondary grinding produces powder smaller than 100 microns. High-frequency screens ensure fineness before the powder is pneumatically conveyed to silos.
3.2 millimeters.
We're analyzing the particle size distribution of the latest powder sample.
And the findings.
The consistency appears well within the acceptable parameters, sir.
14.
The specifications look correct. Are we ready to initiate the discharge sequence for this blender?
Yes, Overseer. Final checks are complete. Opening the valve now.
Discharge sequence complete.
The analysis confirms the particle size distribution is consistent, with most falling within the 80 to 100 micron target range.
Pallet 3. Place it deep in the trailer. Make sure it's secured for the route.
Affirmative. Securing the load now.
Bay 7 cleared.
Loading truck Bravo now. What is the ETA on the next pallets?
2 minutes out.
Necamente.
The size consistency is correct now. Adjust the grinder speed to maintain this flow.
Is the granulation system calibrated for the organic powder run?
Yes, just finalizing the sieve settings for the extra large granules.
We scored well, 8.2, but the salt levels remain an issue.
Noted. I'll inform the team to reduce the salt by 0.
The sodium content is reduced by 40%, compensated by the spice extracts.
And the flavor profile?
Identical to the control batch, sir.
Are these preliminary results consistent with the batch profile?
Yes, they are within acceptable parameters, sir.
The total plate count, yeast, mold, and coliform tests are all well within specification. Pathogen tests were negative.
Good. Initial analysis shows consistency.
Excellent.
The flavor profile remains stable across all samples. Consistency is maintained.
Everything checks out. Get this moving immediately. They're waiting on it.
Understood. I'm gone.
All samples detected, sir. Logs are updated. Good. Verified.
94.7%. How do we push that higher? We believe optimizing the logistics routing will get us to 95, perhaps higher.
We have a severe weather delay impacting the northern routes. I've sourced an alternate carrier.
Reroute them immediately. Keep me informed of the progress.
How is the product performing for you?
The quality has been consistently excellent. We are very satisfied.
Control, this is the driver. Seal 847923 confirmed. Pre-trip inspection complete. Ready for departure.
Bay 8, confirm the manifest matches the container seal.
Affirmative. Ready for export to Japan.
All checks complete on the West Coast load.
Send Y.
Sense. 94.7% is good, but there is still room for improvement here.
Everything running smoothly here? Yes, sir. Operating at peak efficiency all evening.
Gate acknowledges truck 742.
All checks complete.